me show you how to remove this KlingAI watermark. And also, I'll be showing you right now how you can get these credits. I got 166 for free on KlingAI. And some persons in the comment sections were doubting that it is not true. I don't know why you think I'll just do something and tell you that I didn't pay for it, whereas I paid. If I paid for it, I will tell you that I paid. Right? I didn't pay for that 166 credits. I will show you how to get the credit and also why you are not getting the exact credit that I got. And not just that, after getting your dancing baby video, I will also show you how you can post it on TikTok or any social media platform of your choice. So let's start with removing the watermark. As always, timestamps are below in case you need them. Let's jump into it.
Let's remove the video watermark. So first thing is to go to CapCut. This is CapCut app. If you don't know CapCut, this is it, alright? So click on it. You can download from Play Store or App Store. You can use your iPhone, your Android, your laptop to do this. Click on new video. Okay, this one just downloaded into my phone from my WhatsApp group, right? You know, when they post a video, it automatically comes into my phone. Thing is, the person practiced this video and as well, it has the watermark. So let's use this particular video. So now, as you can see, this is the watermark. In case you don't know, this is the watermark right here saying Kling right here. So all you need to do to remove it is to tap on the video and just like I zoomed it, alright? Zoom it a little bit and pull it down. That is all. This is too much. You can bring the person down or you can adjust it a little bit and that is all. If not, you can simply tap on the video, go to crop, bring it up a little bit from here. From here, you just crop it just a little and here it is without a watermark. So it's either you zoom or you use the crop right here, and that is how to crop out any watermark from your video as far as it is below or on top of the video.
Now that you have known how to remove your watermark very easily, let me show you how you can upload these baby videos on TikTok or any social media platform of your choice.
Okay, so this is the endurance video that we generated using KlingAI, alright? So right now, let's go and post this on TikTok. So simply go to your TikTok app, search for your TikTok app and go to your TikTok app. If you already know this song, you can simply type, let me say, flavor, blah, 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 flavor, blah, blah, blah. You know, type this song and you can be able to see it. Maybe Flavor and Odumeje trending song. You just type it, alright? And once you tap on the particular video, click on this thing right here. You will see use sound, alright? But for this my own, let's go and search for endurance video, alright? Because I literally do not know the song it was playing, right? So let me search endurance. So this is how you look for that particular video that you mimicked, alright? The video that you copied, alright? So this is it right here. I will scroll down. Alright, to say, okay, this is that particular video right here. I will now click on this particular place. This is it, this circled place right here, right? I will tap on it and then tap on use sound, alright? I'll allow everything. Now you see the photos, everything on your phone. You look for the particular video that you made. You click on it and then tap on next. Remember, we trimmed this video when we were trying to make it 29 seconds. So you now have to click this place right here. Click this place. I will trim this video just to fit into the song, alright? To start from where the song started, alright? Or I will trim the song so that the video will start where it should. Then I will move it back, alright? So all you need to do is to tap on it, this white border, move it forward a bit because that of endurance was 30 something minutes, but this particular one was 29 seconds, alright? We reduced it. So all you need to do is to move the song back a bit, alright? Just this way, tap on the song, move it a bit, so that it won't have to start afresh, just like that of endurance. It will start from where it should, alright? So just watch that of the person you copied, and then know where to trim your song, then push it back. That is all. You click on this red button right here, and that is all. You can decide to add your cover So this is it. You can now add captions right here, blah 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 blah, and then tap on post video and your video will be posted.
Okay, so now let me show you the exact thing that is confusing a lot of persons. All right, let me show you why you're not seeing the same credits just like mine. I'll show you the mistake that we are making right now, and as well show you how to correct it. And let's explore this so I can show you everything that you need to know for the free ones, and as well if you want to pay, how you can do that and what you'll be getting. All right, let's dive in.
This is KlingAI and this is the mistake you people have been making. I didn't use this app to get my own video. If you watch that video, I will link it in the description box. This is KlingAI. So here in KlingAI, as you can see, they told me to sign in for credits. I'll just simply sign in. See, login with Gmail, I will log in. Let me search for my credit. As you can see, this is my credit here. So this is the mistake we are making. I did not ask you to download the app. So right now, let's explore the payment options, the payment plan, right? Note that this is not a sponsored video. My students were asking me, how can I do this video? How can I do this baby video? I decided to, teach you people how to do it and put it out here. So both the one that I did and this one, they didn't pay me to do it. But I also received, somebody paid from my group, right? Somebody paid for this app and she was telling me which one is best option for her to pay, right? So let's just go through it so that if you want to pay as well, this will be useful to you. I'll send it to them and as well post it here on YouTube so that other persons who need this video will be able to see it. All right, so they said 100 credits per week, 1,814 naira, 100 credits. And that 100 credits will not even be enough for you to generate one video if you are using this app. So let's go to monthly. Monthly is 660 credits. Okay, with 600 and something, you can create, with 18,000, you can create, I think, let me say 200, you will create like 4 videos. Wow. 61,000 naira for 2,050 credits. Ultra 200 and per month. Oh wow. So as you can see, if I'm to recommend to you, I won't recommend any because I don't know how much that you have, but this the options they have right here. Let's check that of the website. Let's see if it's the same thing. Let's just go to KlingAI. If you do not know how to go to the website, this is it. Just type KlingAI right here. I already made a full video on this. I will link it in the description box. How to make a baby dancing video. So this is KlingAI right here. So let's see if it's the same with that of the website, right? So let's see if the subscription will be cheaper as well. So now my credits. Let me click on subscribe. Oh wow. Can you see this? They said we should pay for standard. Here in the website is $6. Can you see that? Almost $7. And that $7 will give you 660 credits, right? Yes, this is it right here. The $6 will give you 660 credits as low as 400. As you can see, this is better. So as you can see now, you can see. So okay, $25, all right. And this is $64. That is at $64 will be around, right, to get 8,000. This is better now. The first one is $7. All right, let me say 10,000 naira, or $7 is 10,000 naira, I think. All right, 10,000, which is $7 to get 660 credits. But here in the app, they said 18,000 to get the same credits. Are you seeing it right now? Are you seeing it? So this is it right here. If you want to subscribe, you know where to come. Use their website, all right? Just type this thing and use it so that you can get it at a better rate.
So if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop it in the comment section. If I receive a lot more, I'll consider making a video about it. I know you enjoyed this video and you would love to see me in my next video. So like this video, let me know in the comment section which part of this video you enjoyed the most, and also subscribe to this channel. I am Success
and I wish you success. I will see you in my next video.
Bye.